guys, today when I was at school, my parents went to Meyer, and I've been wanting slime for a couple of weeks now. I got my slime. It's sorry. Should have got that out. But today, my parents got me. My parents got me jelly cubes scented compound. I couldn't read it. It was so small. Oddly satisfying. Sorry, one sec. Had to have a coffee break. Not a coffee break. It's a coughing break. So let's open it. I already opened it though, so let's tell you about it. So the slime was originally just plain old blue. You could add these little glitter. You could add the glitter in it. I already added it. And then it has, because it's called jelly cubes, that little cubes. You can add in. It doesn't come with them inside the slime though. So if you don't want to add them really to that slime, you have like other slimes or something, then you could just do that. But look at how beautiful this is. 1 second. Sorry. Now I want you to listen to this. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's so satisfying. Sorry. I have anger issues. I'm kidding. And also, in this video, I'm also giving Bath Body Works a shout out. Everlasting Magic by Bath Body Works. Shimmer Face Lotion. I don't know if you can hear this, but so nice. Sorry, that's loud. Sorry about that. I was talking the late one night. Ooh, she did the monster mash. So my baby brother's birthday is coming up soon. I'm not gonna say when, obviously, but his birthday's coming up, and he is having a birthday party, and it's a Halloween birthday party because it's October, and yeah, I'm super excited for it. With lips. My lips. Where'd you guys go? Oh, there you are. Guys need to come with me. Come with me on a journey. Shh. Hello, mates. Clear on my lip.